Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now let me ask you something. All right. Have you ever heard the phrase success loves speed or money loves speed? Maybe you heard that and you're like, I don't even know what that means. I don't care. Maybe you heard it and was like, oh, okay. That makes sense, right? Here's what it really means. Success loves speed or money loves speed. Basically, it means you need to take action whenever you have a plan, right? Not necessarily just take action, but when you have a plan, when you have goals, you need to take action immediately. So many people have really good ideas or have had really good ideas, and either two things happen. One, they see somebody else start to do their idea and then they get discouraged and they don't do it. Or two, they just never pursue the idea. They never take it to the next step. Everybody has ideas. Everybody has some sort of financial goals and where they want to be, but very, very few people take the steps that they need to make these dreams happen, to make them a reality, right? So when it comes to success loves speed, and a lot of the gurus say that, it's actually true. Because even if you have a whole bunch of ideas, right, and you tried to make them work, and maybe you failed 10, 15 times, right? But because you actually took action and you move with the quickness, that's just helping you get to what's going to get to where you want to be even quicker. So even if it might take you that 16th time, the 16th try to start to see that success, if you hurried up and got through those 15 failures, right? That's speed, because you grinded. Okay, you tried this idea, didn't work out. You know, you gave it a true effort. You keep it moving. Then finally, you're going to get that one idea, right? And because you're used to taking action, because money loves speed, success loves speed, now you're going to go all in on this idea, because when you got that idea, you move with it. Now, success, here it is. There it go, right? So guys, you got to really quit procrastinating whenever you got an idea, because we live in a day now, 2022 and beyond, like there's no reason why you can't try things. There's no reason now why you can't try to earn the amount of money you want to make. There's no reason that you can't start the business that you want to start. There's no excuses. What stops people is they don't take action, right? If you have an idea right now, even after watching this video, the next thing you need to do is start implementing it. Because, did I say it right? Implementing. Yeah, you need to start implementing it right now. That's nice that if you got an idea in your head, that's wonderful. And all you do is think about it all day, every day. But if you never take it from here to here, it's a waste of thought. It's a waste of energy, right? So no matter what it is it a YouTube channel you want to start? You want to be a successful YouTuber? Start posting YouTube videos. You want to be a successful TikToker? Get on TikTok, start posting those videos. You want to start your own drop shipping business? Find the products, set you up a website today, not tomorrow, not when you not on your next day off of work. Start now. You want to be a Kindle book publisher? Guess what? After you watch this video, open up your Word document, Microsoft, Open Office, whatever, and start typing. It's that simple, guys. And the more you take action, let me say it one more time. The more you take action, the quicker you're going to get to your goals. So if you want another entrepreneur money-making tip, check this video out right here.